Hello everyone. Welcome to the Trading Web channel. Today is September 1st. Nifty and Bank Nifty showed a positive opening and Nifty closed above 24,500, 198 points above, and Bank Nifty closed above 54,346 points up. Let's see the forecast for tomorrow, Tuesday, September 2nd. So we have expiry for Nifty, and let's see the forecast for tomorrow. And in today's forecast, for buy side target, I gave the buy side target as about 24,580. I gave a target as 24,700. The prices reached till 24,625, and tomorrow the price will touch, continue to touch 24,700. So targets have met actually. If you take Bank Nifty, it has come till 54,002. And if you see here, I gave two targets with entry points. The second target I gave as 54,70, but it has reached only till 54,002. But tomorrow the price will reach to 24,070. Okay, so both the targets met for Nifty and Bank Nifty. The target is not very great what we gave. In our prediction, the entry point is the key. So anybody can give target. It will reach 54,000. It will reach 54,300, 54,200. Anybody can give any number as target. But that is not the key thing in our prediction. Our key factor in prediction is our entry point. If you enter above 53,780, then this is 95% accuracy target. Yes, it can go sometimes little wrong, but if you enter above 53,970, so this is the target. Okay, so once you reach above 5400, so this is the target. So our entry point is the key thing in our prediction. Okay, so okay, let's start from Nifty. Quickly we will see. Nifty is clearly on trend reversal, not trend reversal. It has shown some upside movement, but not completely changed the direction. Let me take the entry and exit points which I have noted. Let me also try to increase the text. Okay. Okay, if you can see here, today there is up by 200 points, but if you see the trend line, still the trend line is not completely bullish. Okay, so there is more points required to break. If you can see here, higher low, and still the trend line has to shift to bullish, and it will take a lot of time. So we should be very cautious till Nifty crosses 25,000 at this point. Okay, but 24,500 is a very good support for Nifty, and around two times in last two months it broke below 25,000. Last month itself two times. Before that it broke below 24,500 only at May month. So from last 3-4 months it was only three times it broke 25,500. So 24,500 is a very key point. Now Nifty is trading about 24,500, so we expect that it can continue upward movement. But if it breaks 24,500, you should be again be careful to be in buy side. Okay, so let's quickly see the points. It will be very simple. So for buy target, so I've kept the buy as first option. Okay, so current price is 24,625. So if the price close about 24,636 in 1 hour candle, then you can go for some 70 points target of 24,700. Okay, so very close entry, only 10 points. So if it crosses 24,636 in 1 hour candle, then immediately you can go for a target of 24,700. If it cross this point, you can go for target of this point. Okay, and if the price again close 24,735 in 1 hour candle, you can go for a target of 24,895. This is very close to 200 points of target. Okay, so if it closes above 24,635, you can go for 24,895. 24,895 will be the resistance at level. See, you see resistance at 4-hour candles. Afterwards, still the resistance is there. So if it crosses 24,735, then the target we can reach till up to this point. Okay, that's all, guys. And from sell side, you need to be very careful because it has already shown a recovery. So in 5 minutes candle, if it crosses below 24,585, so if you see here, the pivot is 24,655, 24,565. Okay, so within the pivot, it can come till 24,540. It's a very short target, 40 points target. Once the price start break below 585, it can go flat at the pivot range. It will go flat. Okay, so if it crosses below 24,585, it will touch 24,540. But you need to exit. You cannot be in long sell side for this side. Only below 24,500. If it breaks below, then the target is 50 points. 24,450. This 450 is the price gap fill. Okay, let me show you something. You see here, there is a price gap formed. Okay, this price gap will be filled 24,440. But when the price breaks below 24,500, it can touch 24,450. And there is a support. It can be very difficult to break the support. Completely sell side means it should break 24,335. 24,335 has acted as a very strong support zone here. You see. So if it will go for long sell, then only till it breaks 24,335, it is a long sell. But this will not happen unless there is any very, very bad news again. Okay, so Nifty has come at some kind of recovery. It is trading about 24,500. So some 100 points up, we should hope for upside only. Tomorrow is expiry. So there is a chance it can give some volatile movement. It can fill the price gap 450 with a big candle, and again it can start shooting up. Okay, so we it's so since the expiry, a little cautiousness is required, guys. I'll quickly move to Bank Nifty. Okay, so for Bank Nifty, let me take the prediction entry and exit points. Okay, okay, for Bank Nifty, let me come to 1 hour. Okay. Bank Nifty is also again same thing. If you can see the trend line, it has completely taken the low of 53,600. So whatever has been recovered is very, very minor, but good. It is recovered. It is trading above 54,000. But if you can see trend line, anytime it can even touch to go upside to 200 points, and it can break below from here. So we cannot consider this 300 points gain as anyway bullish trend. It is just a recovery. Okay, probably even it may not match the Fibonacci retracement as well. See the kind of fall it has made. Even the Fibonacci retracement, it is still here, 54,500. The golden zone is here, 54,900. So anywhere above 55,000 only, Bank Nifty can be considered as a reversal to bullish trend. So definitely we have so much of um, energy left at upside. It can touch 54,200 and it can come down also. So we can only aim for 100 to 200 points, but always there should be a cautiousness at all the target points. Okay, let's quickly see the targets. If you see here, the gold is at for 54,000. Gold can touch 54,086 at opening itself. The immediate target is 54,086, but this can touch within 5 minutes of the opening, or maybe it opens with touching 54,086. Okay, so considering this is the first default target, so my second target will be if the price closes above 54,500. 5400. Sorry. See, it's very close. So if the price close above 5400 in 30 minutes candle, then you can go for buy for target for 54,215. It is 115 points. Okay. Above 54,230, you can go for 54,380. Okay. This is again 150 points. Okay. If it closes above 54,230, then you can go for target 54,380. Okay. In the sell side, if you see the pivot, lower pivot is 53,850, 53,900. If the price crosses the lower pivot of 53,850, then you can go for 100 points target of 53,750. If it breaks below 53,700, okay, this low, if you can see here, this low, 53,730, I kept a very safe entry, 53,700, then it can touch this low, 53,600, 610. Okay, so it can take support, it can probably form some kind of a W pattern and it can move. So there is always a chance it can come here, take support and move from here also. Yes. Okay, so for Bank Nifty, both side targets are possible. So based on the entry points, you can take it. It's all very close targets. So 200 points to 54,000. 300 points. I have given some targets. 200, 380, and below also I have given some 250 range uh, targets. So entry points are important. Both sides is possible according to even the price action. It can come down and it can touch and come here, or tomorrow it can show some 200 and it can reach the 380 target, and then the day after tomorrow it can come here. So this both targets definitely it will reach in both sides in within this week's expiry. Okay, that's all, guys. Please note down the Nifty and Bank Nifty. And if you're trading in gold, I'm not putting a gold prediction separately as an audio because gold is at the high. So the next target for gold is obviously 3,500 to 3,550. And already it is at the high, so any risk is there to come down. Okay, so everything is now is a calculated risk to be in gold. So that is why I don't touch more detailed analysis in gold. It is already against all the price action and SNC concept. So see, it's already touched 3489. So there is not much gas left. But if you can see here, it has to break here 3,466. It will come down to below 3,466 before it breaks 3,500. Okay, it is based on a very simple pullback concept. Okay, so if it considering the current state, if it is to cross 3,500, it will cross the possible target is till 3,550. Okay, but before it crosses, probably it takes a break here, and then takes back. Let me quickly see see there is a support here. It will take this liquidity. See, once more this price will definitely come and touch here. There is a liquidity 3,466. Definitely it is going to come touch here. See, it will definitely touch, not even not 3,466, it will touch 3,465. See this price gap it will fill. So the price will move up till it can come to up till 3,460 and shoot above 3,500. So it is almost now in a flat range, no trading zone, because it is already shot up. So it is now consolidating. So it can consolidate even 20, 30 point, 25 points below and before it shoots to 3,550. But after once it crosses 3,500, it is very difficult to say where it will stop. The obvious point I noted was 3,550. After that, it's all in God's hands. Okay, but definitely gold will have a very, very, very big fall in next 3 4 months. Some 200 to 300 points when the Russian-Ukraine war will stop. That is the time it will come down to 200 to 300 points. But everybody wish to gold to come below 3,000, but I don't think so. It can happen very, very anywhere near term. So it is trading 3,500. Okay. Okay, guys, that's all for today's prediction. Please note down the Nifty and Bank Nifty forecast. Have a safe day trade tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye.